Hello everybody, in this episode I will show you how to change your pollen filter from your car. This pollen filter that I have here, it's made by man and it's a very good pollen filter because it has active coal in it. Here we have some instruction manual. You can also check this one in order to see how you have to mount it and where you have to mount it. The things that you need are maybe some screwdrivers. To install the pollen filter, mostly on these Volkswagen cars, the filter is located under the dashboard onto the passenger side. As you can see here on my car is a Volkswagen Passat, but this is working for every Volkswagen car. Maybe not for the newest one, maybe for the newest model the filter is inside the glove box, but for most of the cars it's here under the dashboard. To access the pollen filter you have to remove two plastic screws like I did here, and after that all you have to do is to remove the little carpet. As you can see, just follow what I'm doing. After we remove the carpet, this is where the pollen filter is located. This is the little plastic that is holding it into its place, and in order to remove it you have to slide it to the right side like you see here. And now all you have to do is just to pull it out. Now that the old filter is out, all you have to do is to check if the new one looks exactly like the old one. And as you can see, the filters are the same. Okay, and now when you install it back, make sure you install it into the right position. As you can see, the right corner of the filter is smaller than the left corner. And you have to install it in the same way as you removed it. As you can see, the filter has a lot of dust in it, and I only did 10,000 kilometers with it. Just imagine if you do 20,000 or more, how your filter would look like. Okay, so to install the new filter, you only have to push it up into its place. Just make sure you install it into the correct position as I said earlier. Just push it up. After that, take your plastic piece and install it back. To install it, you have to push it up and after that to the left, like you see me doing here. Perfect. Now it's perfectly fitted. To install the carpet, all you have to do is to place it back onto its place. Just make sure it's installed correctly and don't hang out. Perfectly. Now that we are done with placing the carpet, all you have to do is to install the little screws, two of them, to install them back, and this is all you have to do in order to change your pollen filter. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this on how to fix your car at home and how to do it yourself. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like and comment down below.